My friend Musafash said he would take me to experience public transportation here. But is there anything special?
Hi, Jen. How are you?
Pretty good.
How was the journey?
Very nice.
Yeah, good. You know, it's a very big problem in Istanbul, traffic jam.
Yes.
Yeah, almost it takes 1.5 hours to go to city center. But today we have new option. It's a new Istanbul metro. And also very important thing that the train was made in China.
Cool.
Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
I think 15 sets are assembling and manufacturing in Turkey.
Right now.
Yes, and it means that your Chinese engineers and Turkish engineers are working together. So it's very important for us because our engineers learn high technology from Chinese engineers.
Wow, Bosphorus view.
Yes,
Beautiful.
it's very beautiful scenery.